and a pen. Yes. Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to POLYCET free online coaching. Now, I would like to invite Arun sir to start the session. Just 1 second, students. Within few seconds, we'll start the class. 1 second.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Would you please enable the screen sharing?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Now you can share it, sir. Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, sir. I will share it.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, students. Welcome to the free online coaching for POLYCET 2024, sponsored by Jatadhara Education Technology, Hyderabad. All right. So today, let's continue with All right, I'm sorry. Yeah. So today, let's continue with physics. And then we'll start from beginning. We'll do the first chapter again, but with new questions. So reflection of light at curved surfaces. So as usual, we'll go through the bit of theory, quickly revise the theory, and then we'll go for the questions. All right. So we have got laws of reflection. We are doing reflection, students. We've got laws of reflection. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That law is valid for any kind of surface, be it plane surface or a curved surface. So the angle made with the normal at any point of incidence is equal to the angle made by the normal, angle the reflected ray makes with the normal. All right. But then if it is a curved surface, for instance, a convex or a concave surface, we have got something called center of curvature. And the midpoint of the mirror is called the pole. Line joining the pole and the center of curvature is called the principal axis. The distance between the pole and the C, center of curvature, is called radius of curvature of the mirror. All right. Now let's look at this one, students. How does the shadow behave? When you have an object and a source, how does the shadow behave? Shadow is, when the source of light is kept very near, we see the shadows diverging from the base of the pins. We have got two pins as an object whose shadow we are observing. As we move the source away from the pins, the angle of divergence gets reduced. If we move the source far away, we'll get parallel shadows. But as we move the candle away, the light intensity becomes lower and lower. That means to get a parallel beam of light, source should be at a long distance and it must be of sufficient intensity. All right. Now let's look at the concave mirror, students. In concave mirror, we have got something called, when rays are parallel, when the rays are parallel, they converge after reflecting from the mirror, they converge to the focal point F. Now this distance from the pole to F, the focal point, is called focal length of the mirror. And what we observe from geometry is radius of curvature will be twice that of focal length. So R is equal to 2F. So we can do the same thing for convex mirror as well. In convex mirror, after reflection, the rays appear to diverge from focus. And again, the distance between the pole and the focus is called the focal length. The parallel rays appear to diverge after reflection. If we extend the reflected rays backward, they meet at F. That's the focus of the convex mirror. Now let's look at the ray diagrams for concave and convex mirrors. Now, let us say you have got an object at a certain distance from the concave mirror. Let us trace the image. The rays over here, one ray we have chosen to be parallel to principal axis that passes through focus. The other is a random ray, which after reflection intersects the previous ray at a point A. So we need two rays. Any two rays, intersection of two reflected rays will give us the image of the object. The reflected rays are constructed based on the laws of reflection. They meet at point A. The tip of the flame, here using the source as a candle, the tip of the flame of the reflected image will be at a point of intersection A. Yeah, Shiv Ramakrishna, it's not Fermat's principle. We are not dealing with Fermat's principle as of now. Okay. Now all rays parallel to the axis get reflected such that they pass through focal point of the mirror. Be it convex or concave, they pass through focal point. Now, from the reversibility of light, principle of reversibility of light, the converse situation is also true. That is, the ray passes through the focal point of the mirror will travel parallel to the axis after reflection. A ray parallel to axis passes through focus. A ray through focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Now, center of curvature, a line passing through the center of curvature hits the mirror perpendicular. That means if a ray is passing through center of curvature, it will hit the mirror perpendicularly and rebound perpendicularly. It will hit the mirror perpendicularly and rebound perpendicularly. So if we draw a ray coming from tip of the object going through the center of curvature to meet the mirror, it will get reflected along the same line. Because it's hitting perpendicularly, angle of incidence is 0, angle of reflection is also 0. So it will hit and rebound perpendicularly. So any ray, not in just in this case, any ray which is traveling along the normal to the surface, it retraces the path because angle of incidence is 0, angle of reflection is also 0. All right, now let's look at how do we further get the complete image of the candle. Now, since any ray coming from any point on the axis travels along the axis will get reflected on the axis itself, we conclude that the base of the image is going to be on the axis itself. So if we get the tip of the image is nothing but the image of the tip of the object. If we get that, if I just draw a perpendicular to the principal axis, I'll get the base of the image. Because the object is also perpendicular to the principal axis. Now look at this case. The candle object O is placed at a distance less than the focal length. In this case, rays after reflection do not meet. So while doing this experiment for such a case, we are unable to find any place where we get a sharp image on the screen. It's not a real image because distance between the object and the pole is less than that of focal length. It is within the focal point. This diagram tells us that since the reflected rays are diverging, we will not get an image anywhere, any real image. You cannot catch it on the screen. So even if we had moved the screen much away from the mirror, we would not have found the image. That means these are not intersecting anywhere. You will get the image only when the reflected rays intersect. So this image that we get by extending the rays backward is called a virtual image. So in this case, when the object is within the focal point, we get a virtual image, which is behind the mirror. We cannot get this on the screen like a real image because they're not intersecting actually anywhere. When I extend the rays backward, they are intersecting. and that is nothing but the virtual image. The case in which the object at the center of curvature is, when it's at center of curvature exactly, you have got an object here, you'll get the image exactly within that, beneath that, and inverted, and of the same size. All right, ray diagram is evident here. It's very evident from the ray diagram given here. From the ray diagrams and observations, you may have noticed some peculiar properties of concave mirrors. They enlarge the image when the object is held close to the mirror, less than the focal length. Enlarge the image. You get a virtual enlarged image. Also, the image is erect. This property is used at many places and most commonly in shaving mirrors and mirrors used by dentists. This is a repeatedly asked question, students. What is the mirror kind of mirror used by dentists? It's a repeatedly asked question. So, concave mirror. Now, let's look at ray diagrams of convex mirrors. Ray parallel to the axis on hitting the mirror will get reflected so as to appear as if it is coming from the focal point. A ray in the direction of the focal point after reflection will become parallel to the axis. A ray traveling in the direction of center of curvature, directed towards center of curvature, on reflection, travel in opposite direction. That means retraces the path. Appears to come from the center of curvature itself. All right, now let's look at this one. Now let us look at the rules to show the formation of image when the object is placed at different places in front of the convex mirror. Now, interestingly, for a convex mirror, you have got only a virtual image formed. For a real object, for the kind of objects we deal in 10th class, we get an erected, diminished virtual image between P and F. That is between pole and the focal point. Between these two, we get a virtual image, erect and diminished, minified. This image cannot be caught on the screen and visible only in the mirror. Hence, it's called a virtual image. Here is the formula, students. Mirror formula. We use a sign convention to apply this formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Where f is the focal length, v is the image distance, o is the object distance, all measured according to the sign convention from the pole of the mirror. So first convention is we measure all the distances from the pole of the mirror. And all distances are measured in the direction of light to be taken as positive. If this is the direction of, this is the mirror, this is the incident light, this direction is taken to be positive, this direction left side is taken to be negative. Head of the object, it's taken to be measured upward positive, measured downwards negative. Magnification. Magnification is given by hi by ho or minus v by u. These derivations you will look into it later, students. But what is important for applying the formula in problems is the formula. And how do you apply it? You should be able to apply the formula with the right sign convention considered. All right, students, that's all for the theory. Shall we go for the questions? All right, Rhea Nayak says yes. Hello, Rhea Nayak. Sure. Vinay says yes, sir. All right. Okay, let's get started. Here's the first question, students. Look at the first question. Light always selects the path which takes the least time to travel. This was first given by Fermat, Newton, Robert Hooke, Huygens. Okay, answers are pouring in. Excellent. Shivramakrishna says Fermat. Yes, you were already talking about Fermat principle. Okay, option 1. Saivardhan says okay. Agnivesh, okay. Saivardhan, Taruni. Okay, Saivardhan has changed the answer. Good. Yes, Riya Nayak is right. Saivardhan is right. Pavani is right. Gayatri is right. Varun Tej, so many. Almost everyone is right. I'm just looking for any wrong answer, but no, I didn't get any wrong answer as yet. Excellent. All right. Yes, that is Fermat's principle. All right. Now let's look at the next one. An object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror. The distance between its image and the pole is equal to f, between f and 2f, equal to 2f, greater than 2f. Okay, there is a wrong answer as well. Almost everyone has answered right, but there are two answers which are wrong. Please correct yourself, students. We just have got 10 or 9 or 10 days, 10 including today. So please correct yourself. Be serious. Don't repeat your mistakes. We are going to revise the whole physical science again. Please don't repeat your mistakes. Take this as a final touch for the exam. It's equal to 2f students. Center of curvature kada. Center of curvature దగ్గర ఉంది కిందనే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Center of curvature కే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. If an object is at center of curvature, image is also at center of curvature. What is the distance from center of curvature to the pole? 2f. R is equal to 2f. This option 3 is absolutely right, students. But a couple of students have mentioned 2 between f and 2f. All right, here is the next one. F is equal to R by 2 is valid for convex mirrors only, concave mirrors only, both convex and concave mirrors, neither convex nor concave mirrors. Okay. There is a wrong answer as well. I got consistent right answers, but again, there's a student mentioning wrong answer. Be careful, students. Wrong chepte correct cheskondi. I'll give you 5 more seconds. Shift chair and think again. R is equal to F or F is equal to R by 2 is valid for what? All right, I'll reveal the key. It's 3 students. 3 is absolutely right, but students have also mentioned 1 and 2. Kadu students, read any mirror. R is equal to F is valid for any spherical mirror. All right, spherical mirrors key is valid. Be it convex or concave. Here's the next one. A ray of light incident on a concave mirror. If it is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray will pass through the focus, pass through C, pass through pole, retrace its path. Okay. Yeah, good evening, Geeta. Okay. Look at this. I got a wrong answer for this as well. Students, be serious, be careful. Okay, you're attempting it. I appreciate that. But if you go wrong, you have to correct it. We are very close to the exam. Yes, 1 is absolutely right, students. Kani oka student 2 ani chepparu, adi tappu. Please correct yourself. It doesn't pass through C. If a ray is targeted towards C or passing through C before reflection, then a reflected ray will also pass through C because it hits normally, rebounds normally. But if it's parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through the focus after reflection or appear to pass through focus if it's a convex mirror. Look at this question, students. If an incident ray passes through the center of curvature of a spherical mirror, the reflected ray will pass through focus, pass through C, pass through pole, retrace its path. So there are 2 options correct over here, students. Be careful. Yes, retrace its path is right. Yes, Akhilesh is right. Yeah, Ria is right. Sandeep is right. But there are 2 answers for this. Be careful. Shivram Krishna is right. It cannot be 1 and 2, students. Four is definitely right, students, but there is another option which is right. Be careful. Two options correct in దీంట్లో. Yes, Dikshita, that's right. Agnivesh, that's right. Yes, Riya is right. Dikshita is right. Agnivesh is right. Gayatri is right. Khaja, that's partially right. There's one more option which is right. Gayatri is right. Saivardhan, there's no option 5. Yeah, 2 and 4, that's right. All right, it's 2 and 4, students. But only 4 is given over here. It's supposed to be 2 and 4. All right, it makes sense. You understand that? Yeah, right. So most of you have gone right in this case after I give you a hint. That's good. To get an image larger than object, one can use convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, both convex and concave mirrors. Larger than the object, students. Three is ruled out, student. 3 is ruled out. Plane mirror లో మీకు మీరు ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఇంట్లో ఉంటుంది. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ లో మీరు మీకంటే ఎక్కువ సైజ్ లో కనిపిస్తారా? కాదు కదా. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ గివ్ సేమ్ సైజ్. 3 is ruled out. అంటే very simply ruled out. Yes, Akhilesh, Khaja, Harsha Teja, Gyaneshwar, Pritika, Riya, Gyaneshwar, right? Akhilesh, Gayatri, Geeta, Saivardhan, Taruni, Varshini. In convex mirror, we have seen the statement, we get erect, minified, and a virtual image. Minified image వస్తుంది, diminished image. Can you get an image object which is larger than the object in convex mirror, Varshini? Right. So it's concave mirror. Yes, that's right. So in convex version, you cannot get an image which is larger than the object. Good, 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 good. You got the point. I appreciate that. So it's concave mirror. Excellent. Which of the following is not the mirror formula? We have seen the mirror formula. You have to spot which of these is not the mirror formula. All right, consistent right answers I'm getting. I'm just looking for any wrong answer. Yes, yeah, that's absolutely right. Yes, Shivaramakrishna. That's right. That's the lens formula. Option 3 is lens formula. Yes, Taruni, absolutely right. Good. The mirror used to examine the teeth is, we've just now seen the statement. The mirrors used by dentists. Concave, convex, plane, both convex and concave. All right. So many responses, but I'm just looking for any wrong answer. All consistent. Here I got a wrong answer. It cannot be plane mirror, students. Yes, Akhilesh is right. Riya is right. Tanuni is right. Yeah, convex is used by as a rear view mirror. All right, good. Excellent. Let's look at the key. Yes, it's concave mirror, students. To examine the teeth or used by dentists, it's concave mirror. The rear view mirrors in the car and scooters are, you have just now mentioned, and I repeated the statement, convex, concave, both 1 and 2, or it's a plane mirror. Yes, absolutely right. Everyone is absolutely right. It's one convex. Good. Good going. Mirrors used in the solar devices are concave, convex, both 1 and 2, or plane. In solar devices, students. Mhm. I got all right. Here I got a wrong answer. It cannot be plane mirror, students. Plane to aim, you cannot focus light, a plane parallel rays to a point called focus. Plane mirror doesn't have focus at all. There is no focusing power for a plane mirror. Yes, concave mirror is absolutely right, students. Good. But one student has answered plane mirror. That cannot be plane mirror. All right, please correct yourself. The magnification of a mirror is negative. The image is smaller than the object, larger than the object, erect or inverted. If it's negative, what does negative mean? What does negative signify? What does the negative in the magnification signify? Here I'm getting mixed response. Shivramakrishna is right. Pranati, Salma. All right, let's look at the key. Students, mixed response is too narrow. It's not 1, it's 4. It's inverted definitely. If the magnitude is less than 1, then it is smaller than the object. If the magnitude is greater than 1, modulus of that is greater than 1, then it's larger than the object. If it's positive, it's erect. It's negative, it's inverted. Here's the next question. The radius of curvature of the concave mirror is 20. What is the focal length of the mirror? 10, 25, 2.5. F is equal to R by 2, or R is equal to 2F. All right, 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. I'm just looking for any wrong answer here. I'm getting consistent right answer for this one. Good. Everyone is right. Gayatri, Harshateja, Chaitanya, Riya, Swapna, Kumari, Ruchita, Taruni, Geeta, Santosh, Ganga Mohan. I got a wrong answer. It cannot be 2 students. If the radius of curvature is 20, how can the focal length be 20? Just think. Center of curvature నుంచి pole వరకు radius of curvature అంటాము. దాని focal point ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? మిడ్ పాయింట్ లో ఉంటుంది. సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ ఇంకా పోల్ మిడ్ పాయింట్ లో focal point ఉంటుంది. So focal length is equal pole to focal F. F is the midpoint of C and P. So P to F is R by 2. So it cannot be equal to R, no? So if radius of curvature is given as 20, so it cannot be 20 itself. Focal length cannot be 20. All right. All right. Let's go for the next one. A student obtains a blurring image of an object on a screen by using a concave mirror. In order to obtain a sharp image on the screen, he will have to shift the mirror towards the screen, away from the screen, either towards or away from the screen, depending on the position of the object, to a position very far away from the screen. So how do you decide this? Yeah, most of you are answering right. What does 2 say? Uh-huh. 2 is included in 3. If you choose 3, it means you have included 2 as well. All right. So I'm getting mixed response for this one. Yes. Hold on a second. You cannot do 4. It is supposed to be 3 students. Let me just correct it. All right, let's get back to that. All right, I'll get it, the error rectified. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be concave, plane, convex, plane or convex. It appears erect always. In which case does your image appear erect? Students, ఇది ఇంతకు ముందు చూసాం స్టూడెంట్స్, మళ్ళీ ఆలోచించి చెప్పండి. I'm getting mixed response for this one. I'm getting almost all wrong answers for this question. No matter where you stand from the mirror, your image appears erect. Okay, plane is fine. It could be convex as well, no? In convex, what happens? It appears diminished, minified, but erect. So it's 2 is definitely okay, but 3 is also there. So those two options are there in the fourth, plane or convex. Now I'm getting all correct answers. Again, a wrong answer. Students, plane is fine. 2 is absolutely right. But in convex as well, you have got the condition that for a given object in front of the mirror, the image is always erect. It is minified. It is diminished. That's fine. But he's not talking about diminished. Okay, all right. Yeah, there are a few students who have gone wrong, but be careful, students. You're coming closer to the exam. A student wants to obtain an image of the same size as that of an object using a concave mirror. He should place the object at infinity between f and 2f at center of curvature between pole and focus. So object size and image size ఒకటే ఉండాలి, same ఉండాలి. That's possible only when the object is at, yes, consistent response. Good. I got a wrong answer as well. Same size ఉండాలంటే if it is 4, students think again. If it is 4, కొంతమంది 4 అంటున్నారు, not just 1 or 2, చాలా మంది 4 కూడా అంటున్నారు. Around 5 to 6 students are mentioning it's 4. అది 4 ఉంటే between pole and focus you'll get a virtual magnified image కదా for a concave mirror. So how is it same size of the object? All right, so it has to be at center of curvature. That's right. 3 is absolutely right, but few students have answered 4. You'll get a virtual magnified image if it's at 4. If the option 4, you've chosen 4, between pole and focus, you'll get a magnified image, which is erect. Yes, 3 is right. 3 is right. Almost everyone has answered 3, but see, I'm concerned about the ones who are going wrong now. You put wrong, exam is coming closer. When will you correct yourself? We don't have again, we're not going to come back to this chapter again in this session, students. Each chapter, 10 days lo mali venuka ramu. This chapter is last for today. So correct yourself today itself. The focal length of the convex mirror is this, 15 centimeters. Find the radius of curvature, 30, 15, 7.5 or 20. Okay. Let me just check the response. Focal length he has given students. You know the formula, F is equal to R by 2 or R is equal to F, equivalently, same thing. How did one student got 7.5? Be careful, students. 3 option ఎలా వస్తుంది, 7.5 ఎలా వస్తుంది? మీరు focus F by 2 చేస్తున్నారు. And that option is also present, unfortunately. Two students have answered 3. Please correct yourself, students. Supposed to be 30. Right? R is equal to 2F. The center of spherical mirror is called. Very obvious question. Center of spherical mirror is called. దీంట్లో కూడా మీరు తప్పు ఇస్తున్నారు స్టూడెంట్స్. బీ కేర్ఫుల్. ఓకే, తప్పుపోయినా దట్స్ ఓకే, బట్ కరెక్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. నేను కీ చూపించాక మీరు కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయకండి. Center of the spherical mirror, it cannot be focus. Focus is a point where parallel rays after reflection meet or appear to meet. Radius of curvature is nothing but distance between pole and center of curvature. It's pole, students. A diverging mirror is a plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, a shaving mirror. Diverging mirror. All right. Again, one student has gone wrong here. తప్పు పోయినా okay, students, but correct చేసుకోండి. It is not concave, students, it's convex. All right, option 2 is right. Almost everyone has answered 2, but there were students, 1 or 2 students who have answered 3. 3 is not right, students. Okay, this is a very obvious question. We have been applying this question for 2 problems. Relation between R and F is R is equal to F, R is equal to 2F, R equals F by 2, R is equal to 3F. Now this no one should go wrong. Yes, Tirupati. You'll have simple formula-based questions itself. All right, let's go for the next one. In the following, which is the formula for magnification? V by U, HI by HO, minus V by U, both 2 and 3. All right. 4. Students, ఈ formula మీరు మర్చిపోతున్నారు. M is equal to minus V by U is definitely right. But look at the HI by HO. You got HI by HO is also right? Yeah. So both are right. 2 and 3 are right. So option 4. Yes, correct. All right. We are doing reflection, students. So Khaja, we are dealing with mirrors itself. We are not dealing with lens today. All right, we are doing reflection chapter. So we are dealing with mirrors itself. That's a good question though. I appreciate that, Khaja. Khaja, I just answered your question. We are dealing with mirrors here. We're not dealing with lenses. We are dealing with the first chapter based questions based on first chapter, which is dealing with reflection. I appreciate your question, but I hope you got the answer as well. All right, let's look at the key. Yes, it's 4. Students, I just want to make an announcement. I'll just talk for a few seconds. Students, bridge course is coming up. We are going to start the bridge course this Friday. That's going to be very helpful in the sense that it's going to bridge the gap between the huge gap between SSC and intermediate. SSC lo unna level ఇంకా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఉన్న లెవెల్ మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ గ్యాప్ ఫిల్అప్ చేయడానికి బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్స్ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్, which you're going to start on Friday. I suggest you join and you forward this WhatsApp link in other WhatsApp groups as well. It's free, students. It's free. Tirupati, it's free. We're going to start this Friday, Ria, and that will go on till the POLYCET exam. It will go on till 15 days, students. It's a 15 days program. All right, and it's for free. And you will see the huge gap. Me actually teridu. You don't know that you don't know. మీకు తెలియదు అని కూడా తెలియదు. మీకు ఆ గ్యాప్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, ఎలా ఫిల్ చేయాలి, అందరు ఆఫర్ చేస్తారు కానీ ఆ గ్యాప్ ఫిల్ చేయరు. జస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ టీచింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేస్తారు. ఆ గ్యాప్ ఫిల్అప్ చేయడానికి బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్స్ మేము ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసాము. ఆల్ రైట్, లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ. If the magnification of the mirror is greater than 1, then the mirror is concave, convex, plane, none of the above. Concave, convex, plane, none of the. Oh, mixed response, students, for this question. This is a repeatedly asked question. With the standard question, students, మీరు అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, తప్పుపోతున్నారు, that's okay. I appreciate that you are attempting, but it would be a sin not correcting yourself. ఇది repeatedly asked question, students. మనం ఇంతకు ముందు కూడా చేసాము, but you haven't corrected yourself. Seems like that. తప్పు ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. All right, let's look at the key. It's concave mirror. Concave mirror లోనే మనకి greater than 1 వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు when the object is between pole and focus, then you get a magnified image, magnified virtual image. That's one case. And we'll also have it when it is between focus and center of curvature as well. Inverted image వస్తుంది, real inverted image, magnified image. Bridge course is going to start this Friday. Gayatri is going to start this Friday and run for 15 days. This coming Friday, this week. We get a diminished image with a concave mirror when the object is placed at F, at C, between pole and F, beyond C. Again, a ray diagram based question, students. Yeah, Chandu, we can do that. If you just send your number to the WhatsApp number 9642215226. Please send this query to the Chandu. Please send your query to that number. You'll be added to the group. Okay, Tirupati, we'll send it. We'll send it. Don't worry. All right. I appreciate your response. We'll send that. But Chandu, I suggest you send the same thing in the WhatsApp number 9642215226. You'll be added in the group. No, you send this number to the WhatsApp number, students. Chandu, ikkada kaadu, WhatsApp number ki pampiyandi. 9642215226 ki pampiyandi. 9642215226. I'll just mention the number just a second. 9642215226. Yeah, you send it to this number. You send your query to this number. And students, we have sent the bridge course registration form. We have already got lot many students. చాలా మంది రిజిస్టర్ చేశారు. మీరు కూడా రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకోండి. If you haven't registered, I can bet on this, you will not find a similar course again anywhere on the internet. All right, let's come back to the question. It's beyond C. C, if it's beyond C, you'll get an image, inverted image between pole and focus. Sorry, between focus and center of curvature. I'm sorry. Yes, yeah, that's absolutely right. Swapna, try it again. That link will open. Try it again. Bridge course registration form link open aitadi. You try it again. Or we'll send it again. Not a problem. Don't worry about it. Link open now కావట్లేదు అంటున్నారు కదా, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి, లింక్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. All right, let's go for the next question. Here's the question, students. The image is formed by a concave mirror is virtual, erect and magnified. The position of the object is students. మీరు phone తో ఒకటేసారి రిజిస్టర్ చేయొచ్చు students. That with one number you can register only once. So that could be the reason you are not able to open it. So please make note that you can register only once from one phone. ఒక ఫోన్తో ఒకటేసారి రిజిస్టర్ చేయొచ్చు మీరు, ఒక నంబర్తో ఒకటేసారి రిజిస్టర్ చేయొచ్చు మీరు. Yes, yes, yes. I'm getting all right answers this time. 4, 4, 4. టూ కూడా చెప్పారు ఒక స్టూడెంట్. టూ ఏంటి? బిట్వీన్ ఎఫ్ అండ్ సి. బిట్వీన్ ఎఫ్ అండ్ సి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి బియాండ్ సి వస్తుంది కదా ఇమేజ్, అండ్ దట్ విల్ బి మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్. వి నాట్ విత్ వర్చువల్ డైరెక్ట్ అండ్ మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్ కదా, మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ దట్ విల్ బి ఇన్వర్టెడ్ రియల్. Alright, be careful, students. Okay, తప్పుపోయినా that's okay, but correct yourself because we are not going to revisit this chapter. This chapter is end for this session. This is the last time we are doing this reflection for this session. Here's the next question. The angle of incidence for a ray of light passing through the center of curvature of concave mirror is 45, 90, 0, 180 degrees. We talked about this when we talked about theory, students. It hits normally, it rebound normally. Hits perpendicularly, rebounds perpendicularly. Angle of incidence is measured with the normal. That's very important. That's very important to keep in mind. Students are getting confused between 2 and 3. I'm getting 2 and 3 as responses. 1 కూడా చెప్పారు ఒక స్టూడెంట్. Okay, let's look at the key. 0 students. It is passing through center of curvature. Center of curvature pass అయితే that is hitting the surface normally. Sphere, part of the sphere kada. So it is hitting the spherical mirror normally. If it is hitting normally, angle of incidence is 0. That's what he's actually talking about. Yes, yes, yes. 3 is right. 2 is not right, students. Angle of incidence is what? 90 degrees ఏంటి? 90 degrees with the mirror ఉంది. Tangent తో 90 degrees వస్తుంది. But with the normal it is 0. Let's look at the next one. Magnification has a plus sign, then the image is virtual and erect, real and erect, real and inverted at infinity. Magnification has a plus sign. Yes, Ria is right. Khaja is right. Tirupati, no Tirupati. I strongly suggest, okay, it could be possible, but you should have a guided guidance. Kachinaga Kavali. Tirupati is asking whether it is possible to crack JEE without coaching. Provided you have a proper guidance, without that you cannot do it. And because you should develop that thinking pattern, you please attend the bridge course. You will understand exactly what IIT JEE requires. Bridge course exactly tells you what is required by IIT JEE mains and advanced lo elanti thinking kavali. So that is all the bridge course is about. But without coaching, you can decide for yourself after attending the bridge course. All right, let's look at the answer. Yes, 1 is absolutely right. Virtual and erect. Okay, students, we'll now move on to other subject. Okay, students, there are around 10 lakh people raster students exam nahi, JEE exam nahi, but the seats are only 15,000. IIT exam, 15,000 seats ki 10 lakh people compete chestaru. So you can understand the competition. for IITs, seats are 15,000, but students trying to secure the seat is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs and 15,000. You see, look at the ratio. And the competition untundi. So don't take chances. Okay, Tirupati, if you have done it, that's great. But I suggest you once again think about it. You should get a proper guidance. Only then you can do it, Tirupati. Without guidance, if you think that you can just sit with intermediate books and do it, no, it's not possible. Only with intermediate kind of studies, it's not possible. That's for clear. ఓన్లీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ మైండ్ సెట్ తో నేను ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో ఎలా మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాను ఆ మైండ్ సెట్ తో నేను ఐటీ జే క్రాక్ చేస్తాను అనుకుంటే దట్స్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. All right, students, I request Chandrika ma'am to take over. Chandrika ma'am, over to you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, students. Now we will go with the biological sciences. Be ready. Yes, good evening, everyone. Yes, today in the biological sciences, we are going to discuss about respiration. Here is your first question. We will find vocal cords in. We will find vocal cords in. Yes? We will find vocal cords in. Okay, everyone is giving me answer as one. Yes. Yes, we will see the answer within few seconds. Still 10 seconds more to answer. Please, everyone try. Yes, okay, we will see the answer. Yes, it is option 1. Very good, students. Absolutely right answer. Everyone has given me the right answer. Yes, A. Shruti, Riya Nayak, K. Taruni, Gayatri, T. Sharan, Shivaramakrishna, Dikshita, Swapna, Ruchita, Salma, Pavani. Very good. Yes. Who gave me the right answer? Please check the answer. Okay. I'm sorry, wrong answer. Wrong answer icharu kontamandi. Sai Vardhan. Yes, okay, 2-3 members wrong answer icharu. Check cheskondi. Next one. Cluster of air sacs in lungs are called. Everyone please try. అందరూ ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ తప్పిపోతే తర్వాత కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. I'm getting different answers. Yes, 10 seconds to answer. Yes, 10 seconds to answer. Okay, we will see. Yes, option 1 is absolutely right answer. Very good. Riya, Bhavana, M. Satvika, Gayatri. Gayatri, please check it is not 3. K. Shri. Yes, A. Shruti. Riya Nayak. Very good. Yes. Kumari. Shivaramakrishna. Right. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is correct? Yes. Which of the following is correct? The diaphragm contracts, volume of chest cavity increases. The diaphragm contracts, volume of chest cavity decreases. The diaphragm expands, volume of chest cavity increases. The diaphragm expands, volume of chest cavity decreases. Which one is correct? Yes, students, please send answers to Jet Chandrika. Please direct your answers to me, Jet Chandrika. Yes, Chaitanya, please check at your end. Network sarigga వచ్చే దగ్గర కూర్చో. Yes, we will see. Yes, it is option 1. The diaphragm contracts. Volume of chest cavity increases. Only few students given me option 1. Bhavana. Yes, Bhavana, Bhavita. Right, Pavani. Okay, Kumari, Salma. Yes, only few students have given me the right answer. That's okay. Please correct yourself. Next, let us move to the next question. Respiration is a catabolic process because of. Yes, respiration is a catabolic process because of. Okay, I'm getting different answers. We will check. Yes, majority of the students given me answer as one. Oh, sorry. Yes, absolutely. Option one is right answer. Very good. Yes, Srinidhi, Ruchita, Gayatri, Shashank, Kaja, Shivaramakrishna, Navaneet, Gayatri, Salma. Right, very good. Navaneet, Bhavita, it's not four. Yes, let us move to the next question. Energy is stored in. Yes, energy is stored in. Yes, so many are giving me option two. We will check it. No worries, we will check it. Yes, it is option two. Absolutely right answer. Very good. ఒక్కరు కూడా తప్పు పెట్టలేదు అందరూ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ పెట్టారు వెరీ గుడ్ రుచిత కాజా శ్రీనిధి ఎస్ అగ్నివేష్ నవనీత్ గీతాదేవి రియా భావన సాయి వర్ధన్ ఏ శృతి వెరీ గుడ్ ఎస్ వెరీ గుడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ let us move to the next question in this process food is broken down for release of energy in this process food is broken down for a release of energy yes. Yes, almost everyone is giving me as option two. Okay, we will check it. Okay, let us see. Yes, option two is absolutely right answer. Very good. Kaja, Riya Nayak, Sai Vardhan. Yes, one second. Three. Yes, Sai Vardhan, A Shruti, Bhavana, Jessica. Very good, very good. Let us move to the next question. The word respiration comes from. Yes, the word respiration comes from. So I'm getting different answers. We will check it. Within few seconds, we will check. Yes, absolutely. Option three is right. Latin. It comes from Latin. Riya Nayak, Kaja Bhavana. Yes, A Shruti, Kumari, Pritika. Very good. Jessica. Very good. Yes, Dikshita, Agnivesh. Yes, very good students. Very good. Let us move to the next question. The gas liberated on heating powdered charcoal is. The gas liberated on heating powdered charcoal is carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, all the above. The gas liberated on heating powdered charcoal is. Yes, please, everyone try. Yes, the answers are pouring. Very good. Yes, let us see. Yes, it is option one. Absolutely right answer. It is carbon dioxide. Riya Nayak, Srinidhi, Salma, it is not three. Bhavana, Chandu, Kumari, yes, Kaja, Navya, Shri. Very good. Very good. Yes, A, Shruti, Navneet. Yes. Option one is absolutely right answer. It is carbon dioxide. Let us move to the next question. The gas needed for combustion of substances is combustion of substances. So almost everyone is giving me answer one. I asked for combustion. How come it can be phosphorus or nitrogen? Yes, we will see. Yes, absolutely right answer is option 1, oxygen. Very good. Almost everyone has given me the right answer except Preetika. Preetika and two students. Yes. Please correct yourself. Let us move to the next question. The air we breathe out precipitates. The air we breathe out precipitates. Yes. The air we breathe out precipitates. Okay. Yes, I'm getting option 2 as the answer. Okay, we will check the key. Yes, absolutely. Option 2 is right answer. Very good student. K. Taruni Khaja. Yes, Riya Nayak Kritika. K. Taruni. Yes, Vaishnavi. Very good. Preetika, Ruchita. Yes, very good students. Let us move to the next question. Exchange of gases takes place in these parts of lungs. Exchange of gases takes place in these parts of lungs. Okay, I'm getting different answers. That is 2 and 1. We will check the key within few seconds. Yes, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. Yes, option 2 is absolutely right answer. Alveoli. Yes, G. Shashank, Kaja, Pavana, Bhavana, Pavani, Bhavana, Chandu. Yes, very good. Yes, Riya Nayak. Yes, Gayatri. Very good students. Let us move to the next question. Air is filtered in this part of respiratory system. Air is filtered in this part of respiratory system. Okay, so many are giving me as option 4. Yes, we will check. Yes, absolutely. Option 4 is right answer. Nasal cavity. Very good. Yes, nasal cavity is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. This muscular valve in the pharynx controls movement of air and food towards their respective passages. This muscular valve in the pharynx controls movement of air and food towards their respiratory passages. Yes? Okay. So many are giving me as option 4. Yes, we will check it. Yes, it is option 1, esophagus. It is not option 4, it is 1. Only few students. Yes, Vaishnavi, Chandu. Yes, Preetika. That's it. Yes, it is option 1. Let us move to the next question. Single-celled organisms take in oxygen from. Single-celled organisms take in oxygen from. Yes, let us see. Yes, it is option 1, that is 8. It is 8. Yes, for the previous question, sorry students, it is epiglottis. Yes, it is epiglottis. Sorry for the technical mistake. Let us move to the next one. Vocal cords are present in this part of respiratory system. I think we have seen this. Yes, it is larynx. Let us move to the next one. Trachea is commonly called as. Trachea is commonly called as. Yes, trachea is commonly called as. Yes, very good. It is not 4 and 2. Okay, we shall see. Yes, option 1 is absolutely right answer. It is windpipe. Very good. Let us move to the next question. If the alveoli of our lungs are spread out, they will cover an area of nearly. If the alveoli of our lungs are spread out, they cover an area of nearly. I'm getting different answers. That is 2 and 1. Okay. We will see. Yes, it is option 2. That is 160 meters square. Yes, A. Shruti, Kaja, Shashank. Yes, Geeta, Devi, Bhavana. Very good. Very good, students. Very good. Riya, Taruni, Gayatri. Yes, let us move to the next question. The muscular structure in the chest cavity that separates abdomen from respiratory system is. The muscular structure in the chest cavity that separates abdomen from respiratory system is. So many are giving me option 2. So we'll check. Yes, option 2 is absolutely right answer. It is diaphragm. Geeta Devi, Ruchita, Bhavana, Sayavardhan, Akhilesh, Kaja. Yes, Shashank, A. Shruti, Riya Nayak, Preetika. Yes, very good. Gayatri. Let us move to the next question. The percentage of oxygen in exhaled air is. The percentage of oxygen in exhaled air is. బయటికి మనం వదిలే గాలిలో ఎంత పర్సెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఉంటుంది? Yes, we will check. Yes, it is option 2. Absolutely right answer. 16%. Yes, Riya Nayak, Shruti. Only few students given me the right answer. Preetika, Gayatri. Yes, Kumari. Yes, Riya Nayak. Only few students. Pavani, please everyone correct your answers. It is 16%. Let us move to the next question. The total lung capacity of human being is. The total lung capacity of human being is. Yes? Okay, I'm getting different answers. You shall see. Yes, absolutely. It is option one, 5,800 ml is the total capacity, lung capacity of human being. Yes, Kaja, only few students given me the answer one. Yes, Riya Nayak, Dikshita, very good. Jessica, yes, yes, only few students. Is everyone correct? Corrected? Yes, Kumari, very good. Let us move to the next question. This is an oxygen carrying pigment in blood. This is an oxygen carrying pigment in blood. We don't have option 11, Navneet. It is 1. Pavani, please check. It is not all the above, I think. Yes, we will see. Yes, absolutely. Right answer, hemoglobin. Yes, Salma, Bhavana, Vaishnavi, Riya Nayak, Jessica, Geeta Devi, Kumari. Very good. Almost everyone has given me the right answer. It is option 1. Very good. Let us move to the next question. In bacterium, cellular respiration takes place in. In bacterium, cellular respiration takes place in. And one of the students asked that when are the MJP RJC set results? It is not yet declared. It takes time. So be relaxed and concentrate on your POLYCET exam. Okay, we shall see the answer. It is option 2, that is. It is option 2. Yes, Riya Nayak. Only few students have given me the option 2. Cytoplasm. Yes. Yes, Riya Nayak, Navani, sorry, Shashank. Yes, Shashank, Satvika. Very good. Yes, it is option 2. Akhilesh Reddy. Very good. Let us move to the next question. Each ATP molecule gives how many calories of energy? Each ATP molecule gives how many calories of energy? Yes, I'm getting different answers. Yes, so we'll see the answer. It is option 3, that is 7,200 calories. Yes, most of you have given me 3. Bhavana, Kaja, Saivardhan, Srinidhi, Riya Nayak, Bhavana. Yes, very good. Preetika. Preetika, it is not 2, it is 3. Yes, very good. Very good. Let us move to the next question. This is the first stage in the oxidation of glucose molecule. This is the first stage in the oxidation of glucose molecule. Yes? Okay, we shall see. Yes, it is glycolysis. Kaja, Shashank, Vaishnavi. It is not 1 Bhavana, it is 4. Yes, Kirtana, Dikshita. Yes, very good. Very good, students. It is option 4. That is glycolysis. Accumulation of this results in muscular pain. Accumulation of this results in muscular pain. Accumulation of this results in muscular pain. Yes, accumulation of this results in muscular pain. Yes, very good. Yes, so many has given me the answer. Let us check. Yes, it is option 3, that is lactic acid. Very good. Let us move to the next question. The volume of the dough increased in bread preparation due to. The volume of the dough increased in bread preparation due to. Yes. So many is giving me as option 2. Okay, Rihanna, we will check it. Yes, absolutely right answer is option 2, fermentation. Very good. Kaja, Saivardhan, yes. Navani, Nandini, Bhavana, very good. Yes, very good. It is option 2. Next one. Who wrote that respiration is a combustion, very slow indeed, and oxygen not only combines with carbon but also with hydrogen? Who wrote that respiration is a combustion, very slow indeed, and oxygen not only combines with carbon but also with hydrogen? Okay, yes, we will see. Is it is option 1? Very good. Kaja, yes, only few students. Kumari, Ruchita, yes, A. Shruti, very good. Let us move to the next question. Several intermediate products are formed in. Several intermediate products are formed in. Yes, please. Everyone answer. Several intermediate products are formed in. Yes, yes, it is option 3, respiration. It is C, yes, Bhavana. Only కొంతమంది. Kumari, yes, option 3. It is option 3. Let us move to the next question. Respiratory organs in cockroach are. Respiratory organs in cockroach are. Yes, the respiratory organs in cockroach are. So may are giving me it as 4. Yes, we will see. Yes, option 4 is absolutely right answer. That is trachea. Let us move to the next question. Respiration in amoeba and hydra occurs by. Respiration in amoeba and hydra occurs by. రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చే వాళ్ళందరూ ఒకసారి కీ రివీల్ చేశాక గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి, ఇంకా అప్పుడైనా కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. హార్డ్లీ 10 days ఉన్నాయి అంతే ఎగ్జామ్ కి. ఇప్పుడైనా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, విల్ సీ. Yes, it is option 3, that is diffusion. Kaja, yes, Shruti. Only few students has given me option 3. Okay, let us move to the next question. Please correct yourself, students. Cutaneous respiration occurs in. Cutaneous respiration occurs in. Sorry. Yes, it is option 4. That is the all the above. Let us move to the next one. The reason for the animals to develop different types of respiratory organisms is. The reason for the animals to develop different types of respiratory organs is. The reason for the animals to develop different types of respiratory organs. Okay, we'll see. Yes, it is all the above. Body size, habitat in which they live, availability of water, type of circulatory system. Next question. Gills are for terrestrial respiration, aquatic respiration, pulmonary respiration, all types of respiration. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తారని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. Yes, very good, very good. Obviously, it is option 2, that is aquatic respiration. Very good. Let us move to the next one. In pulmonary respiration, respiratory organs are. Yes, in pulmonary respiration, respiratory organs are. Yes, so many are giving it as 2. Yes, absolutely right answer. It is lungs. Next, hemoglobin of blood transports oxygen only, carbon dioxide, both oxygen and carbon dioxide, nitrogen only. Hemoglobin of blood transports. Yes, it is option 3, both oxygen and carbon dioxide. Very good. Ruchita, Sai Vardhan. Yes, let us move to the next one. In plants, exchange of gases takes place through. Yes. Yes, it is option 4, all the above. Yes. Yes, students. With this, today's class is completed. Again, we will meet tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. ఒక 5 minutes ముందే జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. అండ్ ది అదర్ థింగ్ ఇస్ బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్స్ కోసం గ్రూప్ లో చాట్ బాక్స్ లో లింక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేశారు. సో యూ కెన్ రిజిస్టర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. You can please register, and again we will meet tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Jatadhara Educational Technology.